Page 6 of activity 3, run teacher edition here. Go ahead. If you need help with page 6 of activity 3, we'll get started. So page 6 is talking about transform boundaries. So we've learned about convergent boundaries where they move toward each other, divergent boundaries where they move away. So we're going to learn about transform boundaries. This is where they move past one another. So here's a close-up picture of the seismic explorer, and the blue, if you can see kind of the teal color, that's showing the actual divergent boundary. But as these plates move apart, they crack and they move along these pink transform boundaries. So that's where they're sliding past each other. So you can answer the question. The picture is zoomed into the mid-ocean ridge in the Atlantic Ocean between South America and Africa. Transform boundaries are shown in pink. Divergent boundaries are shown in blue. What do you notice about the plate boundary that forms the mid-ocean ridge? Check all that apply. Take a snapshot of the picture. On the snapshot, draw arrows that show how you think the plates move at the divergent and transform boundaries. Once again, divergent is where they move apart. So this is the boundary between two plates that are moving in opposite directions. So here's a picture of a field near in El Centro, California. You can see how it's moved after an earthquake where the ground actually cracked. So we're going to investigate that area further. I will center my camera here. It says, note that there's, okay, so what we're looking at here is El Centro, California is right here, and that's a transform boundary. So I'm going to go ahead and click data type. It's asking, based on the earthquakes along the transform boundary, what can you say about earthquakes in this area? Are they shallow, deep, less than 5 magnitude, or more than 5? So to do that, select data type, earthquakes, and start. I'm going to zoom into this area. So how do we determine the depth and size? We're going to use the key. In the key, you can see that most of these earthquakes are pretty small circles. So those are pretty small magnitude, less than 5. And almost all of them are very shallow. So hopefully that helps you with that one. What do you think causes earthquakes to happen along transform boundaries? Okay, think of the motion of the plates. Remember, earthquakes occur when when pieces of the crust move and slide past one another. So that should help you. All right, that's it for page 6. Let me know if you have any questions.